So the reported benefits of non-monogamy are, that's some of them, more love, intimacy, belonging, and acceptance, because there's more spaces for it. Sexual variety and exploration, because there's more room for it. Sense of freedom. Greater personal authenticity, integrity, and self-expression. Also, that's going back to the fact that there's an emphasis in proper conversations about setting up polyamory. Means that that does give a better sense of authenticity, integrity, self-expression, and freedom.
Just one thing on the accommodating difference is, I mean, it may be that the difference in types of sexual desire, difference in maybe gender expression, and someone wanting to partner up with someone that shares a gender expression that they're living with and experiencing. There may be difference around sexuality, some changes in people, whether hormonally induced or for whatever reasons, mean that some people's libido drops off the edge and their partners may not. So also kind of the accommodating of difference in lots of ways, someone being aromantic or asexual, another person being much more sexual.